Do not use cinder blocks to hold up your tractor while you're doing tractor work. Okay. I made a video on replacing or removing a brake drum on the Ford 801 tractor, and I got a couple comments on cinder blocks and the dangers of cinder blocks, and I investigated a little bit further, and it's very dangerous. It's very hazardous. Okay, farming is one of the most dangerous professions there are. Okay, but hey Bubba, number 2, don't name your cows. Don't name your cows. Finally, after I don't know how many years, I was able to touch her. So I'm changing the wheel. I've got a new inner tube, but you see that this hole right here, it's wallered out. Okay, wallered in the north means boogered up. In the south, wallered means, you know, wallered out. And what that means is the hole right here, it got, you know, it's bigger than it should be for the valve stem. Now the way you replace the tire is, you know, you got to bust the bead, and then you got to get the center where the tire hits the bead, or where the tire hits the rim, right here. You want to bring that tire to the center so that it'll drop about 1 inch down, and then the tire will pop right off. I forgot to bring my you know, my phone stand, so I was going to do a quick video on it, but I'm just going to do this. I need to show you the danger of cinder blocks. Okay, so I ordered this hub on Amazon, and I think it was a 6x16 maybe, I don't know. I just looked at the tube right here and I found something that looks like it'll work. I took a gamble and ordered it, and it fits. So I'm going to show you the danger of cinder blocks. Here we go. I got a hammer right here. Is it showing it right there? Okay, yeah, there it is. Watch. See how easily that broke? See that? See that? Okay. Right here. Everything just shattered. Oh, I'm gonna see if I can get that one. Gotta save my, I don't wanna. See how it just shatters right there? See that? Let me save these nuts. Put them right here. See that? Okay. We're talking, if you're working under this tractor or around it, it's very dangerous to have cinder blocks. That's a, you know, you could get seriously hurt or you know, checked out if you do this kind of work with cinder blocks. And after saying that, I'm using cinder blocks, but it's the ones that were there before. I've got some material right here that I'm going to use to create, you know, to create supports to hold the tractor up while I work on it. But I'm just going to go ahead and take care of this, and it looks like it matches up. I just set it on there, and I don't have my glasses on. I think it's a 16 by or a 6x16 wheel. But